This is a fit for a 2018 through 2019 and likely beyond Subaru XV Crosstrek with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima TimberLine JetStream base roof rack system. The system is using the JetStream load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the TimberLine towers, which connect to the raised rails using a flexible stainless steel band that's rubberized for grip and protection. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 29 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.